Hello friends, glad to have you back on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the complete method to fix the app not installed problem on your Poco M8. Watch the video till the end and follow every step properly so you can resolve the installation error the right way. If this guide helps you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more useful tutorials. Now let's begin.